Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making Paynouse and I'm going to share with you all how easy it is to make. And if you cannot get the fresh cow's milk when the cow just gave birth, don't worry, I'm sharing this recipe with you all just for that reason. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. First, you're going to start with whole milk or full fat milk. You want to use really good milk for this. And you're also going to go in with a tin of evaporated milk. And I'll also add in 1 cup of full cream powder milk. Yes, we do need all of these different types of milk in here because the milk will not curdle if it's not really good milk. So this is just my trick to getting it where it needs to be, really nice and rich so that it curdles. Now you're going to mix that in and we're just going to wait for this to come up to temperature. You want it to be nice and warm, but you don't want it to be boiling. Now once the milk is nice and warm, we'll go in with some lime or lemon juice. And we'll also add in some sugar. The sugar is the trick to helping this to curdle faster. You want to give that a mix and allow it to start to come up to a simmer. And you can see just after 10 minutes, you're seeing little curds forming. So we need more curds to form. Now if that isn't happening for you, feel free to add some more lime juice and some more sugar. So you can double up on the lime juice and the sugar. And just allow it to come up to a simmer until it starts to form the curds. I'm going to let this go a little longer, like around 5 more minutes. So in total, it took around 20 minutes. And if you guys think this step is too much for you all, just go to the supermarket, buy a small pack of ricotta. And you can skip to part 2 where we actually cook everything. So now the curds are ready. I'm going to separate it from the whey. Put it into a strainer. We need to strain out the whey. Now long ago people will boil this down until the whey evaporated on its own. But just to speed up the process, I'm removing the curds. So you want to remove the curds and allow it to drain. And once it's finished draining, you're going to return it to a pot. Now if you like your Paynouse brown and really crumbly, I suggest cooking the milk without the condensed milk. So you're going to cook the milk with the ginger, cook it until the water evaporates before you add in the condensed milk and the pumpkin spice. Now I'm using a non-stick pot here because it makes life easier, because a metal pot it tends to stick and burn. But feel free to use whatever pot you would like. Now we're going to cook this until it's grainy and crumbly, or it's to your desired likeness. And I let it cook for about between 10 to 15 minutes until all of the flavors come together. You would want to taste it and make sure you have enough ginger in there. Remember, Trinidad ginger is much more potent than the ginger we get here in the US. So just be careful how much ginger you put. You can always add, but you can't take away. And once it's finished cooking, it's just time to enjoy. I sprinkle on some more pumpkin spice and then it's ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.